Good morning, students. Today I am here with the topic degrees of comparison, or we can say comparison of adjectives. Adjectives of quality have 3 degrees of comparison. When we want to compare two or more nouns using adjectives, we use the comparative and superlative forms of the adjective to show the comparison between the nouns. Adjectives of quality have 3 degrees of comparison, that are positive, comparative and superlative. As I have told you that adjectives of quality have these 3 degrees of comparison, let's once again go through the examples of adjectives of quality. Like we can say, he is a tall boy. This is an easy question. This is an old man. He is a lazy boy. That boy is an honest boy. She is an intelligent girl. The man is rich. He is a polite boy. So tall, intelligent, rich, polite, lazy, honest, old are what? These are adjectives of quality. Teacher asked a difficult question. APJ Abdul Kalam was a beloved president. So these are what? They are showing what kind of person or a thing is. Let's take an example. He is sweet, sugar is sweeter, but victory is the sweetest. This is a statement or a sentence which has all 3 degrees of adjective. We are comparing the 3 nouns using positive, comparative and superlative forms of the word sweet. Let's try to understand each form one by one. Positive form. The positive degree of adjective is used when no comparison is made. Point to be remembered, where no comparison is made means we are just delivering a positive affirmative sentence with adjective. This is an old man. He is a lazy boy. This is a rich man. Like this. Examples: big, sweet, clean, tall, intelligent. These all are examples of positive form. She has a big black dog. He is a sweet boy. The cupboard is clean. Big, sweet and clean are adjective of quality in positive form. Comparative form. If we talk about comparative form, as the name suggests, the comparative degree is used to compare two things or two groups of things on the basis of their qualities. Here what we are comparing? We are comparing qualities of a particular thing or group. This man is older than the other. This cupboard is bigger than other. Honey is sweeter than sugar. This room is cleaner than other. So what we are continuously adding to comparative degree, that is the word than, THAN, then. So always remember, we use THAN then with the comparative degree of an adjective. This question is easier than other. This boy is taller than me. Mary is more beautiful than this Lizzie. Preeti is taller than any other girl in the class. So in this way we are making comparative form of the adjectives by adding then after the comparative form of adjective. I have a big dog, but hers is bigger. He is sweeter than the other boys. The cupboard is cleaner than before. Here, bigger, sweeter and cleaner are comparative form of adjective. Superlative form of adjective. The superlative degree is used to compare more than two things or two groups of things. Again, I repeat, it is used when two or more nouns are being compared and we need to show that one or more of the nouns possesses the adjective or characteristic to the highest amount possible. Means we want to declare something the best. We usually add the article before the superlative form of adjective. The biggest, the sweetest, the cleanest. Let's take some example. The blue whale is the largest of all animals on the earth. Tom is the wisest among all other boys in the class. This man is the oldest of all. The richest person in the city inaugurated the orphanage. She has the biggest dog in the colony. She is the sweetest girl in her class. The cupboard is the cleanest thing in the house. Ria is the most intelligent girl of the class. Now, we'll sum up once again. Positive degree of adjective where there is no comparison. Only we just declare a statement where we describe or the quality of a object or the thing. Comparative degree. Here we compare two things with each other. We use THA and then often with the comparative degree of adjective. Now if we talk about superlative degree, just now we studied, here also we are comparing more than two things with each other, or we are declaring something as the best or the highest quality among all other. Here we use the article before the superlative degree often. I hope you understand the concept of comparison of degrees for adjective of quality. Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degrees. Try to find more and more examples which you use in your daily routine. Please add them in your regular conversation too. Thank you. In your